There was a time when Americans could not legally purchase alcohol. The 21st Amendment ended Prohibition and helped create laws that to this day benefit all Americans.
Well, the 21st Amendment was important because not only did it repeal Prohibition, but it also returned control over alcohol policy where it belongs to state and local governments, who can determine what kind of policies serve the needs of their citizens best.
The book, Toward Liquor Control, outlined how states could safely sell and serve alcohol. The Center for Alcohol Policy republished the book because it's still helping shape policy today.
Literally, it gives the tenets for why alcohol should be controlled at the local level, why states and local jurisdictions ought to have the final say as to how alcohol is accessed and how it's distributed.
The book is a blueprint of what an effective system of alcohol regulation could look like, one that balanced public safety and a dynamic marketplace. The authors recognize that alcohol is not like other consumer products and must be treated differently.
One of the really key points is that it's got to be local acceptance and only done through local enforcement.
It's clear that what's acceptable in Nevada isn't necessarily acceptable in Utah. The 21st Amendment and the flexibility in state-based regulation allows those local differences to be taken into account.
And surveys show nearly 80% of Americans favor states regulating alcohol sales. An even greater number believe that states should regulate because alcohol's different than other consumer goods. And most Americans believe the U.S. should not get rid of regulation when it comes to alcohol.
The United Kingdom has been through a long period of alcohol deregulation. They deregulated alcohol to the point where it can be sold virtually anywhere, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And as they deregulated, consumption increased right along with it. Today, they have underage drinking rates that are twice ours. Their hospital admissions due to alcohol have doubled in just 10 years.
Great Britain is now considering alcohol regulations that balance public safety with a competitive marketplace, something already in place here in the U.S.
For those countries or other places in the world that have deregulated alcohol, like the United Kingdom, and made it available, we certainly want to avoid the problems that they have.
To learn more about the Center for Alcohol Policy, please visit them on the web.